Welcome to CryptoMovers. In this video, I'll be showing you some of the free tools that I use when trading and managing cryptocurrencies. One of my favorite ways to buy cryptocurrencies is to go through GDAX rather than going directly through Coinbase or another exchange. The reason why I like to use GDAX is because it gives me the option to do limit buys and limit sells as well as controlling my stops. You can't do that in Coinbase, even though GDAX is connected to Coinbase. If as long as you have a Coinbase account, you can use that money through GDAX. So if you already have a Coinbase account, you should just look into using this to buy your and sell your cryptos instead. Because in Coinbase, you can only do market buys and market sells. So when you do a market buy, you're buying at the lowest asking price. And if you're doing a market sell, you're selling to the highest bidder. While the spread, the difference between those two can be really substantial at times. So you can lose a lot of money because the spread is high. But in order to control that, you can do a limits. So if you place a limit, you limit the price that the highest price you're willing to pay. So pretty much you're going to be waiting for someone else to do a market buy on you or a market sell to you. And that gives you protection against the spread. And another reason I like GDAX is because it gives you level two. And level two is being able to see the orders, the volume of the orders, where the bids and the asks are. So as you can see here, you see there's a lot of people trying to sell at 301 and not that many over here. And as well as the trade history of the and the current spread where people are buying and selling. Typically, level two in the stock exchange world, you have to pay for, but for GDAX, they just give it to you for free, which is pretty awesome. Other than GDAX, I don't really like to use the chart here because the chart is pretty weak. It doesn't really let you do much. You can just change the time frame and you can do exponential moving averages and that's it. So if you want a better charting tool, I like to use TradingView. It's free as well. I'm just used to using it as a free trading tool when I was doing stocks before, but they support all the cryptocurrencies now, so it's pretty useful. Uh, with this, you can do all your indicators, whatever, however you wanted to trade in the past if you did stocks, and it can give you a better picture as well as if you can do your time frames, adding your different indicators, and you can even do the alerts, price alerts. So it's a pretty powerful tool. It's kind of grounded in how we traded in stocks or futures in the before. And so if you're interested in using some kind of tool like this, I recommend TradingView for a free tool, free charting tool. And as far as a free wallet, some people ask me about, I like to use Exodus. Exodus is completely free and it stores it on your computer. So I like to use this to maintain some kind of liquidity, sort of, I guess, for myself. Because I have a Nano as well, but it's kind of a pain just plugging in your Nano every time. And then when you're transferring funds out of your Nano into something else, you have to pay fees and all that other stuff. So I just kind of use Exodus typically when I just do normal transactions. So and I use my Nano as more of as like a bank vault. So this is what Exodus looks like. You can also exchange for different coins on Exodus. They use Shapeshift. And while they don't say they have a fee, they kind of make money off the spread. So that's the spread can like I said, it can be pretty significant at times. So you can lose quite a bit of money by just from the spread. But it's a good wallet for multiple coins, and but I pretty much only use Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. So this concludes my video for some free tools that can hopefully get you started in managing and trading your cryptocurrencies. As per SEC rules, I am not a financial or investment advisor. What you do with your own money is at your own risk. If you think my videos help out and you would like to donate, I have included donation addresses in the description below. And of course, feel free to like and subscribe.